I guess to try to be a gentleman and a nice guy and help clean up, he was flirting with Antoinette. And when you walked in true Antoinette was flirting with no goddamn Glenn, I'm not saying that just because Antoinette is this doctor, that don't mean that she can't be a trifling ass Jezebel. Hello?
Hello.
As far as we know, that's it. Now we can have a discussion about whether it's appropriate or not to flirt with other people's friends, whatever. I mean, flirt with your friend's husband, okay. But I think that that's where it will start and stop for Antoinette. If Antoinette was even flirting,
just trust me.
That's it. Now we can have a discussion about whether it's appropriate or not to flirt with other people's friends, whatever. I mean, flirt with your friend's husband, okay. But I think that that's where it will start and stop for Antoinette. If Antoinette was even flirting,
just trust me.
Equivalent to you entertaining a man is bullshit. Now, yes, you should not be entertaining men. You should not be in the very first episode, which don't mean nothing. Giving a compliment to Melody, which is.
It's my little mini meatloaf for two.
It's different.
Oops. Guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to baste it with my barbecue sauce. Or you can use ketchup.
So you ain't calling me no peasant or whatever.
Hold on, let me do it like this. Because I don't want to cross-contaminate.
And I said, oh, you still holding on to that bitch? You ain't holding on to it hard enough because, bitch, that would have been the moment that I would have said, fuck you. Because you called me a peasant on national TV, bitch. And then they found out my name and then my information, and they gonna be like, bitch, that's the girl that's cheating on, that's cheating with a married fucking man, okay? And he called her a peasant. He downgraded you. He disrespected the fuck out of you after you disrespected your damn self for willingly being the side piece. Bitch, I'm reading myself. For willingly being the side piece because